Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to University of Narwal Chemistry Department. Today we will discuss Chemistry Chapter 9, Lecture 7, Preparation of benzene and its derivatives. Benzene and other aromatic hydrocarbon are obtained from coal tar and petroleum in large scale. Some important methods for preparation of benzene and its derivative will be discussed in this lecture. Number 1, by dehydrogenation of cyclohexane and methyl cyclohexane. When cyclohexane is heated in presence of catalyst platinum or platinum at about 250 degrees centigrade, it is dehydrogenated and it is converted to benzene and hydrogen. Similarly, when methyl cyclohexane is heated in presence of Bt or Bt as catalyst at about 250 degrees centigrade, it will be dehydrogenated to form toluene and hydrogen. So in this way we get benzene by dehydrogenation of cyclohexane and we get toluene by dehydrogenation of methyl cyclohexane. Number 2, from acetylene. When acetylene is passed over organonickel catalyst at about 70 degrees centigrade, it polymerizes to form benzene. Acetylene. When it is passed over organonickel catalyst at about 70 degrees centigrade, it triglycerized, it polymerized, and it is converted to benzene. Number 3, from alkanes. Benzene and its derivative toluene can be prepared by passing vapors of N-hexane or N-heptane over mixture of catalyst chromium oxide plus aluminum oxide plus silica as catalyst at 500 degrees centigrade. It is N-hexane. When its vapors are passed over chromium oxide, aluminum oxide, silica as catalyst at about 500 degrees centigrade, it is converted to benzene plus hydrogen. In the same way, when N-heptane vapors are passed over catalyst chromium oxide, aluminum oxide, silica as catalyst at about 500 degrees centigrade, it is converted to toluene plus hydrogen. This process is called aromatization. Preparation of benzene and its derivative in the laboratory. Benzene and its derivative can be prepared in the laboratory by the following methods. Number 1, by heating sodium benzoate with soda lime. The mixture of sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide is called soda lime. When sodium benzoate is heated with soda lime, it is converted to benzene and sodium carbonate. This process is called decarboxylation. By distilling phenol with zinc dust, when phenol is heated with zinc dust, it is reduced to benzene and zinc oxide. In this way, we can prepare benzene from phenol. By the hydrolysis of benzene sulfonic acid, it is benzene sulfonic acid. When we perform its acidic hydrolysis, then it is converted to benzene plus H2SO4. Now we will discuss Ward's-Fitted reaction. Ward's reaction is used for the preparation of alkanes. This reaction was extended by Fitted in 1864 to synthesize alkyl derivative of benzene. It is called bromobenzene. It is called ethyl bromide. It is called sodium metal. Solvent used is ether. When we react bromobenzene with ethyl bromide in presence of sodium metal and ether is used as solvent, we get ethyl benzene and sodium bromide. So Ward's-Fitted reaction is used for the preparation of alkyl derivative of benzene. Thanks.